The National Hurricane Center has issued hurricane warnings and tropical storm warnings in the Gulf ahead of Tropical Storm Zeta, soon to be Hurricane Zeta. Right here. And check out this tweet by Weather Nation. Update: hurricane warnings have been issued for parts of the Gulf Coast for Zeta. Here is the very latest information on the storm. Now, this chart here was put out around 2 a.m. It says right here, October 27th, 2 a.m., so about 6 hours ago, if that's Eastern Standard Time. And we can see these warnings extend all the way basically from central Louisiana all the way east into the Panhandle. We can see the tropical storm warnings. So we have hurricane warnings in the red, tropical storm warnings in the orange, and then now we have in the yellow tropical storm watches. Taking a look at the stats of Zeta, we were barely a hurricane just before landfall near Cancun, Mexico. We can see we are about to exit the western side of that area, that little extension of the island where we have this water gap between Cuba and Cancun, Mexico, and it's going to exit into the warm waters of the Gulf. 70-mile-an-hour sustained winds, 984 millibars in pressure, and now we are moving 12 knots or 14 miles an hour northwest. Really quick before we go any further, take a look at this morning's temperatures, especially in the center of the country, -5 degrees. Wow. All right, sorry about that. Just had to get that off my chest. Now take a look at the timeline of Zeta. So now we have a little bit of a change since yesterday, and you could see that eastern side of Louisiana and now Mississippi coasts are now being highlighted in that red, that hurricane warning area. Keep in mind this might change, okay? It's happened in the past, and 1/3 of the time these storms land outside of the cone of uncertainty, okay? So we still have the entire Gulf to travel. Now take a look at it. By 7 a.m. Tuesday, which is come and gone, we are right on the coast there of Cancun, Mexico, and now you see that H symbol. That means that this storm is going to become a hurricane fairly quickly, the H symbol. And that will explain this chart to us. Now you see this peak right here, how it shoots up, and first where we begin right here, it kind of goes down and then shoots up. That is the land interaction it's currently going through with Cancun, Mexico. And then you see as it extends out the other side, boom, all the models have it at least going up in wind speed up to a Category 1, a strong tropical storm here you could see, but nonetheless, this is the model intensity chart, and we could see charts bringing this up to a high-grade Category 2 before landfall. Now, also keep in mind, I have to say, we've had many storms entering the Gulf as weaker tropical storms or even Category 1 hurricanes that we did not think were going to be big deals and then ended up being major hurricanes. So we just do not know what the Gulf is going to do. We have our charts, we have our data to make educated guesses off of, but we really just don't have an idea. So anybody as of right now between the states of Louisiana and Florida, basically, unless we have some sort of shift to the west and then Texas too, you need to be aware of what's going on. Just to give everyone a better idea on the landfall timing as far as today, this may change, so I'm just giving you the info we have for today. I have this set up on Vent2Sky, as you can see here, very useful website under the GFS model. This is 2 p.m. on Wednesday the 28th. So if this stays true, this is what we can expect. So we have 2 p.m. here. If I move it to 5 p.m., we are just off the coast of Louisiana. You can see that eastern part of the Louisiana coast. Basically, this would be the central part, western, eastern. Now we move to 8 p.m. and we are well within landfall at that point. So between 5 p.m. and 8 p.m. on Wednesday the 28th, we're expecting landfall more than likely on the eastern side of the coast of Louisiana, also pushing towards Mississippi. I am very aware a lot of people have been asking where landfall is going to be, where's this thing going to land, and I wish I had an answer for you, but all I have is the available data just like you, and there's no way I'm going to go ahead and make predictions on where this storm is going to make landfall. I've learned my lesson with that. We don't do that. We kind of just put the info out there for those of you to use that are in harm's way, those of you that are interested in weather, and that is what it's here for. So each and every one of you, I want to tell you that I appreciate all of the support and all of the time you spend on this channel, all the videos you watch. If you have not already, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Every little bit helps, and I enjoy putting this content out to you on a daily basis. My friends, please keep your eyes open, especially those that live in the Gulf Coast. This is not the end of hurricane season. I can show you even deeper into the future, more action in Central America, the Caribbean right here. And you can easily see that by just jumping forward into about the first week of November. We still see action down in this area. Nothing predicted as far as a specific storm, but still very favorable. All right, my friends, I hope you all have a good morning. It is currently 8:31 a.m. on October 27th. I hope everyone has a great day. I will be back later on this afternoon, if not tomorrow morning. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Shout out to Canada.